Babe, today I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude, knowing that God's hand has guided me to you. You are my answered prayer, my greatest gift, and my dearest friend. Thank you for showing me patience, for meeting my insecurities with kindness. Thank you for seeing me, hearing me, and supporting me. My husband, today I vow to love you in joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness, in abundance and in need. I vow to be your calm when the world moves too fast. I vow to listen, not to fix, but to truly hear. To laugh with you when life is kind, and to stand still with you when it's not. I promise to love you without needing you to earn it, and show up not just when it's easy, but always. Thank you for loving me and for teaching me how to love you. John, my husband, my forever and always, mahal kita, mamahalin kita habang buhay. You're right. Hi, Grinch!
Irish. Babe, bago kita makilala, wala talaga akong kaplano-plano sa buhay dito. Kung saang direksyon ako pupunta. Tapos dumating ka sa buhay ko. At hindi ko inaakalang sa isang kalitang hi, sa isang online game, ay mababago ang lahat. I was in darkness, but with your kindness, generosity, your compassion, your wit and your trust, will brought me into the light. You let me know that I deserve it. Ikaw yung ilaw na yun. Noong una hindi ko alam kung deserve ko yung trust na yun. Kasi mas kilala ko yung sarili ko pagdating sa kalulupan. At kung deserve kita. But whatever has happened, whatever will happen next, the way you make me feel is the best part of it. Kung may random days na maitatanong mo sa akin kung yung warm ay naging cold o yung mapatanong ka kung mahal pa ba kita sa kabila ng paglipas ng panahon hanggang sa kasalukuyan, hindi ako magsisinungaling. Kasi you are my always and I just want a chance to be yours forever. My world.